Ever wondered why your favorite snack tastes different sometimes? The secret lies in the air quality during its production. Contaminated air can alter flavors and compromise food safety, making clean air as crucial as sanitary equipment. Greenladder air purification systems are your ally in meeting stringent industry standards. From odor control to contaminant removal, our solutions like the Green Matrix Flat Panel and GLT V-Bank ensure your facility maintains top-notch air quality. Imagine a packaging facility where every breath is fresh and clean. With Greenladder's range, including the GLT M15 and AGX Fresh Air 500, you can achieve just that. These solutions are designed to keep your food tasting its best. Experience the transformation in taste and quality with Greenladder air filtration. Choose the right system for your facility and join others who've seen remarkable results. Start today and ensure every bite is as delicious as intended.